Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Hello and welcome again to this new video. Today's video we're gonna learn some Arabic basics that every Arabic learner have to learn before start learning new things. So let's begin. هيا بنا نبدأ. Yes. نعم. نعم. Yes. نعم. No. لا. لا. No. لا. Okay. حسنا. حسنا. Repeat after me. حسنا. And و. And و. There. هناك. There. هناك. Here. هنا. How many? كم. How many? كم. Where. أين. Where. When. متى. When. متى. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give us thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, just tell me in comments below, and I will see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to learn more Arabic vocabulary. مع السلامة. Goodbye.